हेलो गाइस। तो आप देख सकते हैं मैं मेरियट होटल में हूँ। सोयाबीन का इवेंट है। मैं आपको पूरी डिटेल में बताऊंगा इस व्लॉग में। देख सकते हैं आप। मैं बैक साइड का बताता हूँ। यहाँ कॉन्फ्रेंस होगी अभी, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं। अभी स्टार्ट नहीं हुई है। ये मेरियट का ग्रैंड बेलरूम रूम है। यहाँ पर अभी सोयाबीन की मीटिंग होगी। हेलो गाइस। तो आप देख सकते हैं अभी मैं मेरियट में हूँ। देख सकते हैं आप लोग, मेरियट होटल में ही हूँ मैं। अब मैं इवेंट का थोड़ा आपको आगे का सीन बताता हूँ गाइस। तो आप देख सकते हैं हमारी कॉन्फ्रेंस चालू हो गई है सोयाबीन की। ठीक है गाइस, मैं आपको आगे की प्रोसेस और बताता हूँ।
talk about, and if there are any questions, I would like to take them in the end.
Thank you, Dr. Neeta. Actually, Soil Research Institute Indore is really making lot of efforts in bringing the varieties. What I was also in the ICR team working and as a QRT member and advising the researchers in the particularly when India, actually agriculture scientists who are concentrating for food security. Any agriculture scientist in the world, if you talk, they talk about food security. To a larger extent, world has come out of that food security. We have to concentrate on nutrition security, which is lucky. How long we can talk about the production and the productivity? We have come but effectively from that point, so that we should concentrate on the nutrition security and the newer varieties for the augmenting the protein gaps is very important now for the present scenario of the world.
हेलो गाइस, आप देख सकते हैं आप लंच का टाइम हो चुका है। देखो गाइस, अब मैं लंच कर रहा हूँ। ये देख सकते हैं गाइस, तंदूरी रोटी है, पापड़ है, पनीर की सब्ज़ी, फ़िश कड़ी। जितना मुझे लगता है उतना ही लेता हूँ मैं गाइस।
So when it comes to soy and male fertility, we shouldn't be just looking at, in any case, to make any credible health recommendation, we shouldn't be looking at just a few isolated studies here and there. You see, cherry picking data can be very misleading. And this is why a large meta-analysis of 41 randomized controlled trials shows that soy is safe for men. It wouldn't affect in any way testosterone or estrogen levels in men. And this solid body of evidence, it's based on previous clinical evidence showing that soy consumption doesn't increase the risk of gynecomastia, which is the breast enlargement in men, and certainly doesn't have a negative impact on sperm. Before we wrap up, I'd like to discuss something that is very important for you to know about. So U.S. soy, as we all know, has the lowest carbon footprint when we compare it to other global soy producers. And this is thanks to advanced agricultural practices, strict quality control that results in consistent high quality protein, that results in very high safety standards and a reliable source of feed, fuel, and food for both human health and for environmental sustainability. And the U.S. soy industry decided to take things a bit further and promote even more global nutrition, support even more global nutrition and innovations by developing very specialized tools such as the Specialty U.S. Soy Database. And this incomparable online resource features more than 500 soybean varieties that are usually used that were carefully selected for food applications such as tofu, miso, natto, and more. And what makes this tool even more valuable is that it looks at it looks at basic metrics such as protein and oil content, but it even goes more in depth in terms of information and looks at other functional traits such as I would say isoflavone content, amino acid profile, hilum color. Manufacturers are even able to look into other sensory characteristics of the soybeans, such as the level of lipoxygenase, in order to control the beanie flavor of the end product.
देख सकते गाइस सोए सी एनर्जी ड्रिंक। ये देख सकते हैं नेचुरल की सोया बड़ी है। ये देख सकते हैं न्यूट्राई की बड़ी है। चलो गाइस आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम।